Hello everyone, I'm going to tell you about how to upload your cram into your mobile phone. So find Play Store, go and hit the button and right here cram, so it's almost there, and hit, and as I have installed the cram, it says open. You install just pushing down this green button. Yes, now here is my cram app is downloaded, so you go to join to create an account. So if you have a Google account or Facebook or Twitter, you can hit this and you can create your account. If you don't, you can write your username, choose a password and enter your email address. You can use your parents' email, or you can create an email. So let's go down and I will use my Google account here and tap this, and I'm signing in. So I have already created my account. Now after you wrote the unit name, you go down and the front of your flashcard should be in English and the back of it should be Turkish. You can choose from here Turkish. Yes, it's already Turkish. And then the hint will be in English, so you will explain the meaning of your word in English. And then when you finish this, go and hit next button. Here we are going to create 3 flashcards. 1, 2, and the third one is down. So let us create our first flashcard. What will be in the front of your flashcard? Hit here. Let us say tiger, for example. Let us write tiger. And back of your flashcard should be in Turkish. It is Kaplan. And you will choose an image for this. Hit the photograph icon and let us find from your gallery. Touch your gallery and let us find our photo. Yes, it's a tiger, so hit the tiger, and then I can write a hint here, a hint, an explanation, add a hint. So it is a mammal. Okay, so I just want to push the button on, hit done. And next flashcard, snake. Okay, you can write snake, and when you finish, you just save it, and you can see here we have 2 flashcards. Go to the settings, so you can see I have these cards, sets of cards. So let us go to unit 4 and let us learn our words. You can also hear the word
tiger.
Yes, and let's go back to card set and let's memorize the words. So go and hit this button. So tiger, tiger, what is tiger? So you try to remember. If you remember, tiger, kaplan. So hit the yes, remembered button. So the next one, snake, snake, what is snake? So if you cannot remember easily, you touch this hint It's a reptile. So this might be yılan. Let's see. Oh yes, it's true. So the next one. Now let us go back and play. It's a cram mode. So yes, we have done this, and go games. So this app creates games from your words. So here we have our words. So snake, elephant, tiger. So I push the button snake and find. Now let us play interstellar game. Yes, play game. Let me okay. So our word is elephant. F. Okay, F I. Okay. No. It's okay. Yes, you can. If you want, you can continue. Let's stop this. If you want to add more flashcards, you can go and hit the plus sign. At the end, you can share your flashcards. Just go and hit share, and you can share on these apps, and also you can copy the link from here and go to Class Dojo and share it.